The Davao Global Township or DGT recently celebrated significant milestones, including the grand opening of the DGT Central Park and the groundbreaking of its cultural center. The DGT Central Park, located within the township in Matina, Davao City, is now open to the public. This expansive green space offers residents and visitors a place to relax and enjoy outdoor activities, contributing to the township's vision of integrating urban living with nature. In addition to the park's opening, DGT has commenced construction of its cultural center, aiming to become a hub for cultural and civic events in Davao City. These developments underscore DGT's commitment to creating a vibrant, community-focused urban environment that blends residential, commercial, and cultural spaces. I hope you watch this until the end so you'll have an idea of what the place looks like. That way, when you visit, you'll know what to expect and where to find the beautiful spots to relax and take photos. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel.